Ohio Z, Dam line of Foudre F, Focus, Jabot and Coolman ES. Sire O'Neill van Eigenlo has performed with Maclean Ward at 1.45 m level already and made a big impression as a youngster on European soil already. His first offspring are very promising, and we find him here combined with a successful dam line. Ohio Z has the same Grand Dam as David Simpson's Grand Prix and Nations Cup horse Foudre F, and Grand Dam Esprit is a half-sister of the 1.50 m, 1.60 m level show jumpers Focus and Chronique herself. Great Grand Dam Unique is a half-sister of the Grand Prix show jumper Jabot of Markus Beerbaum, and from this direct family also descend 150 and 155 show jumpers like Coolman ES, Aranca and Valentino.